continue to have their backs as they fight for their freedom, their democracy, their very survival.
In a significant advancement of military technology, the United States has successfully deployed a fleet of Switchblade Kamikaze drones to strategically neutralize Russian army targets. The deployment of these cutting-edge autonomous weapons represents a paradigm shift in modern warfare, showcasing the lethal capabilities of drone technology in the battlefield. This article explores the deployment of the Switchblade Kamikaze drones, their impact on Russian army targets, and the implications for future military operations. The rise of Switchblade Kamikaze drones. Switchblade Kamikaze drones, also known as loitering munitions, are a type of unmanned aerial vehicle designed for short-range precision strikes. These drones are equipped with warheads, sensors, and cameras, making them capable of identifying and engaging specific targets with precision and accuracy. The combination of mobility, autonomous capabilities, and small size enables the Switchblade Kamikaze drones to navigate complex environments and strike time-sensitive targets with minimal collateral damage. Switchblade Kamikaze drones are compact and lightweight, resembling a small fixed-wing aircraft or a large-scale drone. They are typically launched from a ground-based or vehicle-mounted launcher, allowing for rapid deployment in the field. The drones are equipped with electric propulsion systems, which enable them to hover, loiter, or maneuver in mid-air, providing flexibility in engaging targets. One of the distinguishing features of the Switchblade Kamikaze drones is their autonomous nature. They are designed to operate autonomously or can be controlled remotely by an operator, depending on the mission requirements. These drones are equipped with sensors, cameras, and target acquisition systems that enable them to identify and track specific targets, making them highly effective in engaging time-sensitive threats. The primary armament of the Switchblade Kamikaze drone is an integrated explosive warhead. Once the target is confirmed, the drone can dive and strike the designated target with precision. This kamikaze-like approach provides an effective means of eliminating threats while minimizing collateral damage and reducing the risk of civilian casualties. Neutralizing Russian army targets. The deployment of Switchblade Kamikaze drones in the conflict between the United States and Russia has proven highly effective in neutralizing Russian army targets. These drones have been specifically employed to target critical enemy assets, such as armored vehicles, command and control centers, artillery units, and anti-aircraft systems. By employing a swarm tactic, the U.S. military can overwhelm and dismantle enemy defenses with minimal risk to American personnel. The autonomous nature of the Switchblade Kamikaze drones allows for quick response times, bypassing traditional logistical challenges and delays associated with manned aircraft or ground forces. This rapid deployment capability provides a strategic advantage in fast-paced military operations, giving U.S. forces the ability to strike at critical moments and disrupt the enemy's operations. Furthermore, the precision of these drones minimizes collateral damage and civilian casualties, a concern that has plagued conventional military operations. By selectively targeting specific Russian army assets, the Switchblade Kamikaze drones offer a more focused and effective approach, reducing the risk of unintended consequences and human loss. The successful implementation of the Switchblade Kamikaze drones against Russian army targets has significant implications for the future of warfare. These advanced autonomous systems are likely to shape the nature of conflict, offering increased precision, reduced risk to personnel, and improved operational efficiency. The effectiveness of Switchblade Kamikaze drones showcases the importance of investing in autonomous technologies for military applications. The ability to deploy swarms of nimble and lethal drones can potentially shift the balance of power on the battlefield, leveling the playing field against larger and more conventional forces.
However, it is important to recognize the ethical and legal considerations associated with the use of autonomous weapons. International protocols and regulations must be in place to ensure responsible and accountable deployment, preventing the misuse of these technologies and safeguarding civilian populations. Conclusion. The deployment of Switchblade Kamikaze drones by the United States to neutralize Russian army targets represents a significant milestone in the evolution of warfare. These highly advanced autonomous systems offer increased precision, reduced risk to personnel, and improved operational efficiency. As technology continues to advance, it is crucial for the international community to engage in discussions regarding the ethical use and regulation of autonomous weapons. The effective use of Switchblade Kamikaze drones highlights the importance of responsible deployment and international cooperation to maintain global peace and security in the face of evolving
exercise back in January, and they were asking if someone could support the Northern Strike. It hadn't been done before. It's been tried as COA to fly either from North Dakota or Syracuse, to be able to bring that capability here.